Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to receive materials from your supplier using MIGO. So in this example, you created a purchase request, the purchasing team created the LPO, and the items have now arrived at your site or at your store, and you would like to receive them from your supplier. So step 1, go to MIGO. And as you can see, this screen comes up. So you want to go to goods receipt. We're receiving goods. But in this example, it'll be a partial delivery. For example, they only brought us half the required materials. And then in here we'll go to purchase order, correct. And then we need to make sure 101 is selected. And then you can put in your number. So mine is 45, and this is the PO number, the LPO number. This will be supplied by purchasing, and then we click enter, or we can click execute. Same thing. So as you can see, it has brought up this 2-item LPO. So for example, let's say item number 1, aluminum foil tape, they brought only 1, and item number 2, they brought only 2 pieces, for example. Okay, so step 1, we have this item selected, or we can select the second item. It's no problem. This is how you can switch. So let's start with item number 1. Select this, and it'll come here in material tab. Then you want to go over to quantity. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit just so we can see it better. So as you can see, we ordered 2, we only received 1. So unit of entry, we'll just put 1. Quantity in the delivery note, we'll put 1, and we'll click enter. Okay, and now let's go back to this list. Item number 2, as you can see, we ordered 3, but let's say we only received 2, and quantity in delivery note also 2, and enter. Okay, now we can click check, bottom right corner. So we click check. Okay, see, we forgot to flag the items as okay. It's important that we flag the items as okay. So let's go back here, number 2, material, scroll down, item okay. And let's go to number 1 also, so we can go here, previous item, and let's check that this is okay. And let's scroll back up. So as we can see, we checked them both okay. Now we click check. So it's telling us we need 1 for the first item, and for the second item we need 1. There's a deficit. So this means that we haven't received our full delivery. And it's okay, we know, for example, the supplier is coming next week or another time to bring the remaining. So for now we just want this items in our inventory. Okay, so it's giving us the error. We received 1 and 2, but we ordered 2 and 3. No problem. Post. And it'll say material document number 177 has been posted. So then we can go back and view. So if you want to view this material document, click here, and instead of goods receipt, just click number 4, display, and it'll be here, or you can enter the number here, no problem. So this is the number, this is the year, and we click execute. So as you can see, it's showing us that for this we received 1 of the first item and 2 of the second item. And as we scroll down, we can click here, purchase order data. So it'll show us the purchase order number, it'll show us the material document, it'll show us this data. We can see where it's coming from, client, we can see all this data. Okay. So then suppose like 1 week passed or some time passed and we received the remaining. So goods receipt, once again, purchase order, and we enter the same purchase order number and we click execute. And we make sure that 101 is selected. So as you can see, it's telling us that we're pending one of each. So same process as usual. Scroll down. Okay. Check item OK. Check the quantity. Make sure you enter 1. Quantity and delivery note is 1. Enter. And you can click next. Same thing, item OK. You must check this. And we click 1. Click enter. Now we click check. So document is OK. And then we can click post. So now this has been created. If we go back up, we can scroll up, we can change this to display, and then here you can enter the document number. So as you can see, in this document we received 1 and 1, then in the previous document we received 1 and 2. And you can also print these material documents, and I'll show that in the next video. Thank you.